Hello and welcome to the Madhouse with you boy Jessie. I am an American who decided to trade in snow boots for flip-flops and make the beautiful Philippines my home. One of the first things I fell in love with here, besides the incredible beaches and even more incredible people, was the public market. It is a sensory explosion in the best possible way. The air is thick with the sweet smell of ripe mangoes, the salty scent of fresh fish, and the earthy aroma of countless spices. It is a vibrant, chaotic, and utterly wonderful place where you can find everything from handmade crafts to the most delicious street food you will ever taste. It is an experience you just cannot get at a sterile, air-conditioned mall. But navigating these bustling mazes can be a bit intimidating for a newcomer, especially when it comes to prices. That is where I come in. I am here to be your guide, your teacher, and your slightly goofy friend who will show you the ropes. Today, we are diving headfirst into the art of bargaining, Filipino style. This is not about being cheap or aggressive. It is about participating in a cultural dance, a friendly game that is as much a part of the market experience as the goods themselves. I will teach you how to save a few pesos, have a lot of fun, and walk away with a great story to tell, all while being respectful and making a new friend along the way. My goal is to make you a confident market master in just a few minutes. We will break it down step by step, using simple language and real-life examples from my own misadventures and triumphs in the Palengke. You will learn what to say, what to do, and just as importantly, what not to do. Here, it is all about the smile, the charm, and a little bit of playful strategy. By the end of this, you will be ready to step into any market with the confidence of a seasoned local, ready to score some amazing finds. So, grab a metaphorical shopping bayong, which is a traditional woven bag, and get ready to learn. I promise to keep it simple, to make you laugh, and to give you the practical skills you need. This is your official invitation to join the fun, to connect with local sellers, and to experience a truly authentic slice of Filipino life. We are not just shopping, we are building bridges, one friendly bargain at a time. Let us get started on this adventure and turn you into the market champion I know you can be. It is going to be a blast. So first things first, why should you even bother bargaining? Is it not easier to just pay the first price you are given? Well, you could, but you would be missing out on a huge part of the fun. In many Filipino markets, especially those that see a lot of tourists, the initial price, often called the tourist price, is set a little higher. Sellers often expect a friendly negotiation to follow. It is not a trick, it is an invitation to engage. When you start to bargain, you are not being difficult. You are participating in a long-standing tradition. It shows you are savvy and interested in more than just a quick transaction. Think of it less as a battle and more as a friendly conversation about value. Bargaining is a way to connect with the person you are buying from. You share a moment, you share a laugh, you share a bit of playful banter. It transforms a simple purchase into a memorable interaction. I've had some of my best conversations and learned the most interesting local tidbits while haggling over the price of a t-shirt or a wooden souvenir. You are not just saving a few pesos, you are creating a human connection. The goal is a fair price that leaves both of you smiling. Your market adventure begins the moment you step out of the taxi or jeepney. Walk in with a positive attitude. Your body language speaks volumes. Keep your shoulders relaxed and a smile on your face. Do not look overwhelmed or lost. Project confidence. Walk past the stalls and make eye contact. Offer a simple greeting, magandang araw, which means good day. Hi, hello. Once you spot an item that catches your eye, a colorful woven blanket, a string of pearls, the second step is to examine it. Do not just grab it and ask the price. Take a moment. Touch the fabric. Check the stitching. If it is fruit, give it a gentle squeeze. Ask a simple question about it. For a bag, ask, "Is this leather?" That shows you are discerning, not just a tourist. Showing genuine interest can make sellers more willing to budge on price. Now ask for the price. Say, "Magkano po?" Po is a term of respect, always a good idea. After you have asked the price and performed your strategic pause, it is time to make your counteroffer. This is where the real dance of bargaining begins. The general rule of thumb is to offer a price that is about half two-thirds. If the seller says a shirt is 500 pesos, start between 250 and 300 pesos. Do not go too low, like offering 50 pesos for a 500 peso item. That can insult and end the negotiation. Find that reasonable middle ground. When you state your offer, your tone is crucial. Say it with a smile, not a demand. Phrase it as a polite question. For example, "Puede na 300?" Translation: Can it be 300? That sounds friendlier than just saying 300. Seller might chuckle or shake their head, then come back with a different price between their ask and yours. That back and forth is the heart of bargaining. A light joke keeps the mood friendly. Ay, ang mahal naman, pang mayaman na presyo. Meet in the middle with a smile. Let us talk about some advanced techniques, the power moves that can often seal the deal in your favor. It is always a good idea to have small bills ready when you go to the market. When you are close to a price, showing the exact amount in cash signals you are ready to close now. If you have settled on 200 pesos, pull out 200s and hold them out. It makes the transaction feel immediate and easy for the seller, which might be the final nudge they need to agree. Another powerful move is small talk. Compliment the seller's stall. Ask if they are having a busy day. Comment on another beautiful item they are selling. Rapport shifts it from transactional to personal. Connections often lead to better prices. Now for the ultimate power move, the walk away. Use it carefully and respectfully. Say, "Sige, salamat po, iisipin ko." Okay, thank you. I will think about it. Then slowly turn and begin to walk away. Often the seller calls out with a better offer. If not, you likely hit their bottom line. Respect that. You can always circle back and accept their last offer. Done with a smile, the walk away is perfectly acceptable here. One of the most important skills in bargaining is not about what you say, but what you see. Learn to read the seller's mood and body language. This tells you when to push and when to stop and accept the price. Watch facial expressions. Smiling, engaging, leaning and participating in the banter. These are positive signs, likely flexible on price. A genuine smile is an invitation to continue. Now the warning signs. Smile fades. They look away. Arms folded across the chest. Those often mean you have hit the bottom line. They are non-verbally saying negotiation is over. Pushing now can be rude. Accept their last offer or politely walk away. Respect boundaries. Be a welcome customer. Do start with a smile and a greeting. Non-negotiable. Learn a few Tagalog words. Magkano po and salamat po. Sometimes the best way to learn is by seeing something in action. So let us walk through a short, simple role play. Imagine a cool graphic t-shirt at a stall in Green Hills Shopping Center. You smiled, greeted the seller, inspected the shirt's quality. You are you, and the seller is seller.
Hi, magandang hapon po. Magkano po itong t-shirt?
Seller, yan, ganda yan, 400 pesos.
Okay, pwede na po sa 200?
Notice the respectful question and reasonable first offer.
Seller, ay, hindi po kaya sir. Masyadong mababa. 250 last price na.
Sige, pero dalawa kukunin ko. Pwede 450 para sa dalawa?
Bundling unlocks better per item value.
Seller, sige na nga, para sa'yo, 450.
Ayun, maraming salamat po.
Simple, friendly, effective. Final checklist. Say hello and smile. Ask politely. Make a fair counter. Use small bills. Be ready to walk.